Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see uninstall packages using Chocolatey. Means packages means here softwares. So in our previous videos, we have seen that how to install packages or softwares using Chocolatey from the command prompt. So sometimes if you want to uninstall any softwares which is installed by the Chocolatey, so how you can uninstall that. So that we will see in this video. Okay. So how to uninstall packages or softwares using Chocolatey. So the command here is Choco uninstall the package name. Package name means software name. Otherwise, if you run this command, it will ask you the permissions that if you want to continue or not, something like that. If you do not want that one also, you can say Choco uninstall package name space -y. If you mention like this, it will not even ask you the permission that to uninstall, it will directly uninstall. Okay. So you have a shortcut for this uninstall. C uninst. Okay. C uninst space package name. That's it. Here also -y. Sorry, the -y is optional. You can put, you cannot put. Okay. So as part of this video, in the previous videos, I installed what you that. If you go to program data, go to the Chocolatey. In the .chocolatey folder, you will find all the softwares which you installed using Chocolatey. So I want to install any one of the softwares. So I'll uninstall Google Chrome. Okay. So first you see that Google Chrome here in this 84 version. And when you search here also, you see that Google Chrome is showing here, right? So now we'll try to uninstall that. It should remove this folder. And if I search, it should not show in my system. Okay. So I'll close this. It's already open. So I'll search CMD and better to run as administrator. So right click, run as administrator, click yes. So here I want to uninstall Google Chrome. So what is the command previously we used? Choco install Google Chrome. Okay. I'll take that here. Example. So instead of install, I'll say uninstall. Okay. Otherwise, you can put C uninst Google Chrome. So we'll see this one. Control C. Go to the command prompt. Control V. Enter. You see that running auto uninstaller. So it's done. Google Chrome has been successfully uninstalled. So what is the proof? So we'll go to that particular. I think it should not be here. So it's still showing here. But inside that, I do not have proper files. Okay. I do not have proper files. When you go to Notepad++, okay, this is something like that. Okay. So it is not doing from here, but application got uninstalled. So if you say Chrome, you see that app is not showing. It is asking me to search for the Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is uninstalled from my machine. Okay. So the second time when you install, it will take less time. It seems already installed, right? So I'm not very sure, but so I felt it will remove this folder, but it is not removing from here. So leave it. So now, sometimes I want to, in the previous video, we have seen that install multiple softwares. So here also, how we can do multiple softwares. Okay. I can say Choco, and now we'll use this one, C uninst. Okay. C uninst, and the package name is VS Code right? VS Code, VLC. I'll uninstall 2 softwares at a time. 2 softwares at a time. So before that, we'll see whether VLC is in my machine or not. You see that VLC app is there in my machine. Okay, I'm able to open. And the same way, I will search for VS Code. You see that VS Code app is there, Visual Studio Code. When I click this, you see the VS Code is opened. So now we'll try to uninstall these both and we'll see. You see that it is asking me. Okay, it is asking me to, would you like to uninstall something like that? So I do not want to ask this one. So what I'll do, I'll close this. So I interrupted that. So we'll check VS Code is there. Yeah, it's still there. So I'll go to the command prompt again. I just want to show that. Okay, it should not ask. So what I'll do, -y. Never tried, but it should work with the -y version. So it's still asking, would you like to uninstall? But when I see the documentation, it is something like that. Okay, whatever it may be. So if you give y, our intention is to uninstall multiple packages. You see that VS Code has been successfully uninstalled. You see now it is VLC. VLC is doing. So it might ask, do you want to uninstall or what? I think while you uninstalling, you should not open that particular software, it seems. I did not open, but be careful that don't open that before uninstalling. Close everything, then uninstall. It's taking more time, it seems, for VLC. So not sure whether it is doing or not. So it is asking me to enter again. So now the turn is VLC. If you want to, so right, so just hit enter when it is asking, that's it. Now you see that both uninstalled. You see VLC has been successfully uninstalled. Okay, now we'll search VLC. You see that? See web results it is showing, but it is not showing me the app. So VS Code, you see Visual Studio Code also asking me to search in the web, but it is not showing the app. So successfully uninstalled. So when you go to that section, you still see that. Okay, VLC is there, VS Code is there, but it is not uninstalling from here. It is not means it's not deleting these folders, but it is uninstalling from your machine. Right. So this is how you can uninstall a particular package or software, or you can uninstall multiple packages. Okay, I can write here how to uninstall multiple packages or softwares using Chocolatey. Okay, this is the command. What is this? Simply we can say syntax here is, so Choco uninstall. Already we have seen that it's here, right? So the same way. So no need this one. So this is how you can uninstall any software which is already installed with Chocolatey. You can simply uninstall. Okay, very simple. No need to go to the control panel. So click on uninstall software. So select that software and right click uninstall. We'll do normally like that, right? So we can skip all those things. Simply from the command prompt, you can uninstall everything. You can install everything. Simple way. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for further interesting updates.